Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who often works with multiple tabs open in Google Chrome, but hate losing them when you accidentally close the browser, then this video is going to save you a lot of time and frustration. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make Chrome remember all your open tabs so they automatically reopen next time you launch it. It's super simple, and once you set it up, you'll never have to worry about lost tabs again. So make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if this helps you out. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. That's your Chrome menu. Click on those dots. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're inside the settings page, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Startup. This section controls what happens when you open Chrome. Here, you'll see 3 options. Open the new tab page, open a specific set of pages, and continue where you left off. Choose the third option, continue where you left off. And that's it. From now on, every time you close and reopen Google Chrome, it will automatically restore all the tabs and windows that were open in your previous session. Whether your browser crashes, your computer restarts, or you just close Chrome by mistake, your work and browsing session will always be right where you left it. So go ahead and enable that setting right now and make your Chrome experience so much smoother. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tips, and share this video with someone who always loses their tabs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.